We're going to talk about Tensor chips. We're going to talk about IP numbers. And we're going to party as hard as we possibly can on a Wednesday at 1 p.m. Let's do it. Rick Osterloh.
You can use VO and Gemini just to enter a few words or like add an image.
Yeah, VO, yeah.
Yes, and it will create a video automatically for you. Check out this photo. We can turn it into a video with VO.
Now that I can talk, my platform is simple. More treats.
And now if you buy a Pixel 10 Pro or a Pro Fold, you get a full year of Google AI Pro on us.
Really? A full year?
Yes, full year.
Fantastic. I'm very excited about this table.
Okay, so let's start with the Pixel 10. And the colors, we think, look at this palette, we think these colors are sexy as hell.
Yeah, oh, well, it's Wednesday afternoon. Let's be PG, okay?
We believe your phone should reflect your personality. And that's true with what's on your screen, too. And we have a fancy name for all of this. It's called Material 3 Expressive, because Pixel 10 is all about your vibe on your screen. So let's go to the Pixel 10 Pro.
Yes.
It features premium materials, premium performance, and it comes in 2 sizes. Remind me which one works best for you.
XL all the way,
It's the XL all the way. And on top of that, it has the best display of any flagship phone, and it has the best pixel camera ever. So if you pause on that and we just keep it real, if it has the best pixel camera ever, then that means it just has flat out the best camera ever.
Oh.
We've got something called ProRes Zoom. And bottom line, this is the highest quality zoom on any smartphone, and it lets you zoom up to 100x. This picture, it looks incredible, right?
Oh my God, yeah, that's me driving into work this morning.
It looks just like New York City. You'll see that it might not if you take it from where we actually took this shot from, way back there.
Whoa!
Now that's credit to our Google Tensor G5 chip.
Tensor!
And on top of that chip, we have laptop levels of RAM. So there is plenty of power. Speaking of which, every Pixel comes with 7 years of OS and security updates. On top of that, you get something that we call Pixel Drops. And that's new software and features that roll out over the life of time, so your phone keeps getting better, smarter, faster.
That's what I'm talking about. And now, how about these colors? I'm loving everything. I'm loving this bluish purple.
We'll go real quick. So this, we've got Moonstone. If you pick this one up.
Sorry. I didn't know which one you wanted to pick. Yeah, of course. This is not Moonstone.
Beautiful jade.
Jade, of course.
And then a luxurious porcelain. Finally, you can get this guy, sleek, powerful obsidian. So that is Pro. And I'm so excited for you to meet the Pixel 10 Pro Fold.
Yes! Come on, here we go. Let's go. Now we're talking.
It's in your hands now.
Yes, come on.
The
Look at
Pixel 10 Pro Fold really stands out in a crowd because it reimagines what a phone can and should be. As Jimmy is showing us as our model.
So rad. It's so thin.
It's so thin. It's so flexible. And we talk about this quite a lot. It's pencil thin, but it's extremely durable. We've got inside this phone, IP68 water and dust protection.
I knew it was going to IP68. Let's go. 6 is for dust and 8 is for water, right?
Yes.
Wetness?
Yes.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah.
Just think about rain, water, you're at the club, you spill a drink, accidents happen, we got your back. So the Fold is durable, it's beautiful.
No foldable has done this
That
yet.
is correct.
You're
It
the
is
first to
a
do it.
first.
Come on, history.
We've got the Pixel Snap. And this is pretty simple. The Pixel Snap just allows you to snap your phone on chargers, on wallets, on stands, on anything you need. And on top of that, just a little secret that this works perfectly fine with your Apple MagSafe accessories.
Can you say... Can you say accessories? You can't say that. You said the A word.
I said...
Can we talk about Apple?
I believe deeply
that
at Pixel we are confident in our product and in our brand, and we love everybody in the game, so we can say anyone's name we want on this stage.
That's what I'm talking about. All right.
So let's move on to the Pixel Watch 4. It comes with all of Google's helpfulness. So you get your Fitbit stats, your Gemini assistant, everything is just one glance away. It's got excellent battery life. So just 15 minutes in this charger gets you up to 15 hours of use.
15 minutes gives you 15 hours.
It's that simple.
Let's talk earbuds.
Okay. We're rolling out many new features to our Pixel Buds Pro 2 just next month. There are new head gestures that let you shake your head to decline a call or nod your head to accept a text.
No way.
Yes. And on top of that, you could talk to Gemini Live in noisy places like busy cafes. And so if you already own a pair of Pixel Buds Pro 2, just like we talked about earlier with new features rolling out constantly, your buds just got better. So congratulations.
Wow.
Now let's talk about the new, and that is the Pixel Buds 2A.
Ah.
Okay, so these are the best of Pixel Buds, but at an incredible value. You get active noise cancellation, crystal clear audio, all-day battery life, and they're smaller, lighter, and super comfortable. They also have this very cool twist-to-adjust stabilizer, so you can get the exact right fit. That is it. These are the latest additions to the Pixel family.
You are a pro. Come on, that's how you do it.
Okay. We've got a new feature called Magic Queue, and it's perfect for keeping on top of your messages and so much more.
This is my text.
So you've been ignoring some of your friends here.
Yeah, that's a balance. Yep, there's Rick there. He says to me, when are we getting dinner tonight? Now, I've already made reservations.
Yep, and so at the bottom there, that button, that's Magic Queue at work. And look, you can see it already found the name of the restaurant for you. Right from the booking email that you had, you can just tap it to send. It's that easy.
This one's from Alex Cooper. Hey. Alex says, can you share that photo of Gary in the hat?
Yeah, so this is cool here. So Magic Queue can do more than just find the information you need, but it can also help you get things done, like searching for exactly the photos that a friend's asking for. Check it out.
So I go to share photos. There's Gary.
And turns out Gary's a dog.
Gary is my dog. Yes, yeah, Gary. So there's a picture of Gary in the hat. I just click on Gary and then done. Send. Look at that.
Pretty magical, right?
Easy.
And you should know, we've designed all of this to be completely private. Magic Queue runs right on your Pixel, which means all the processing, all the AI, and all your personal information stays private to you.
Okay, so earlier I was backstage and I got a photo with Jimmy Fallon, obviously, to send to my mom. And so I will be honest, we were in a rush and I didn't get my favorite best photo. Okay, so for this photo, when I'm looking at it, my personal preference would be I want to fix the lighting and I'm gonna fix the framing. So let's put that in.
Okay, you see this kind of sparkly vibe that's going on?
Yep.
That is the Gemini models that work. So they're identifying the people and they're actually changing the background, fixing the lighting, and
Oh my God. Oh my
there
God.
you go. We're also using AI to help you become a better photographer too.
Okay, so basically I wanna just start with getting a picture,
Exactly.
but we're gonna use Camera Coach.
Jimmy, calm down. We're gonna hit that top right button. You see that Camera Coach button? We're gonna hop in. So right now, Camera Coach is analyzing the scene and trying to get us kind of different poses that Jimmy could be in.
At the top, it's giving me suggestions of how to make this the optimal photo. So it says zoom in to his chest and go up.
Okay.
Are you okay if I come closer to your chest?
Thank you for asking.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
We're coming close to the chest.
Yep.
Yeah.
Next, it says place his head in the upper part of the frame. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna come down a little bit
Jimmy,
more.
place your head in the upper part of the frame.
Yeah. Jimmy, just don't move, Jimmy, okay? Trust me. Okay, lower the camera to his eye level.
All right,
Here
we're getting
we go. And then we're gonna take this gorgeous photo. But you know what? I think I'm gonna go portrait, because Kenny, you know I'm obsessed with portrait. Cheers. Boom.
Ooh,
Money, baby.
There we go.
Money.
There we go. We're gonna
Here
see
we
it.
go.
Let's pull it up.
Did I do it? No, wait. Did I do it? Okay, I'm taking so many selfies.
we weren't supposed to see.
I'm taking a lot of selfies today.
I mean, you know, I'm a photographer. I'm always chasing light, but sometimes you see moments at the end of the day. And so I'm in Washington Square Park. I'm roaming around the fountain, and I'm just looking for intimacy. And so I took out a phone out of my pocket. I made a picture.
Some other phone we have.
And then I took out the Pixel and I put it in night sight, and I went to make another picture. So to be able to see like this much detail in a nighttime photo, it just like makes a photographer really happy and confident to like make images when the light's not perfect.
Pixel can now translate phone calls in real time. And Jimmy, we do this in your own voice, inflections and everything, okay? And now you can have a conversation in Spanish, Japanese, Hindi, and more. And the thing is, Pixel handles the translation entirely on device. So your phone conversations, they're gonna stay private.
Hola, Sofía. Hola, Jimmy.
Hola, Karen. All right, so we'll turn on the translation feature. I head to Call Assist, Voice Translate, choose the language, and...
Call is translated by Google AI. In each speaker's voice, audio is not saved.
Hi, Karen. Can you hear me? Does this work?
Hola, Karen. ¿Puedes oírme? ¿Funciona esto?
What's up? Hello. Yon. I'm the crazy person actually listening to you in Spanish.
Okay, this is really cool. I can't believe how fast it's working.
Esto es realmente genial. No puedo creer lo rápido que está funcionando.
Por primera vez, Google Pixel 10. For the first time, Google Pixel 10 will be available in Mexico.
What? That is so exciting.
Each morning, Pixel Watch delivers Fitbit's morning brief, telling me how I slept, today's weather, and how ready I am to take on a workout with my readiness score. But you do so much more than what you manually track. So now, with next generation activity recognition, even if you forget to start a workout, your watch will automatically send you a recap so you never miss out on your stats. It's our smartest activity recognition yet, and for the first time ever on a smartwatch, you can use on-device satellite communications to contact emergency services even when you're off the grid. And there are so many ways Pixel Watch helps you stay connected and stay ahead. With the new Raise to Talk, you'll be able to get help from Gemini hands-free. No button presses, no hey Google. I can just raise my wrist and say, move my workout with Cody tomorrow, an hour later, so I can sleep in. Everyone deserves a coach like Cody who can help put it all together. So we're taking things a step further with a new personal AI health coach. Starting in October in the US, Fitbit Premium users will be able to preview the coach in the completely redesigned Fitbit app.